dresser was all dry, it was time to fill the hardware holes with this Gorilla Epoxy Stick. This epoxy stick is very easy to use, and it's a great alternative to Bondo. It doesn't require a two-part mixing. It doesn't have a strong odor like Bondo does, yet it still dries super hard. It's drillable, and it does not shrink. It comes in a tube, and it looks like putty or Play-Doh. And you tear off a little piece, and you knead the putty until the two colors turn into a solid gray. Then you know it's ready to use. Here I'm rolling it up like a little noodle, like a little noodle in between my hands, and just fitting it into the holes. And then I go back and I press more in just to fill everything in nice and tight. But usually it's a little more pliable than this. I'm not going to lie. My basement, aka my studio, is rather cold in these winter months. I do have a little heater down there, but it is pretty cool to work down there. So usually it's this putty is a little more pliable and easy to work with. But I did want to share with you an alternative to Bondo.